Meaning of impulsive.
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 Impulsive. The term impulsive refers to someone who acts suddenly, without thinking carefully or considering the consequences of their actions. An impulsive person may make rash decisions and act on their emotions without taking the time to consider the potential outcomes. Such behavior can lead to unexpected consequences and often results in negative outcomes. People who are impulsive may struggle with impulse control, making it difficult for them to resist immediate gratification or act in their best interest in the long term. Therefore, being impulsive can have a detrimental impact on a person's life and relationships with others.